Have you ever tried to get 2 toddlers out the door in the morning? Shoes are missing, one kid refusing to eat. You spend every night preparing for the next morning, but you can't actually predict everything that may get in your way. That's kind of what our crews offshore experience drilling a well, but with higher consequences, of course. You have your well plan, you review it with the team, but when it's time to execute, things don't always go to plan. So, in a way, it's like being a parent because you can have the greatest plan, but you never actually know what's around the corner.
So as soon as I come on tower, I'm gonna run through all my alarms, my PIMs, check at my ACS, get all my pit volumes, take a picture of all the straps. I'm counting pipe in the derrick, torque on the roughneck.
There's a lot of information that the drillers and ADs are looking at while they're operating the equipment as well. You're swapping your keypads and you're doing everything as quick as you can to save as much time. Now with MMC, he'll push the joystick forward, then that will control each machine. It's like a waltz. All the machines are dancing together. So what MMC will do is it'll level the playing field for everybody because they could plan their wells a lot more accurately.
Us knowing our trip times and our drill times and being consistent with numbers so they can plan. And the more they're able to plan, the more money they could save. I could sit in the office and watch people trip pipe and you could point out MMC. It's like daylight and dark.
As far as crew to crew, as far as how long it takes to get to a certain depth, it's more consistent.
I feel like I'm held accountable for one of my roughnecks out there on the floor. So I take a lot of pride in the safety of our crew. That's where we're thankful for automation, to keep them out of harm's way.
Yeah, there's always something gonna break down or something's gonna happen. With this MMC, if we're just tripping pipe, you only need one man over there, so you got 4 other floor hands that can go off, or AD or something can go take care of that problem. We're still on operations.
Every second counts when you're tripping pipe or doing a connection. And the waltz carries on now.
I never thought when I started 25 years ago, coming from a jackup with manual stuff, that none of this was possible.
This is one of the most modern rigs out there, and it helps our operator get the job done.
And that's where MMC saves our life.